St. Louis is famous for its Italian food, and today we are going to explore 3 places that are known for their perfect pasta.
We'd like to focus on authentic Northern Italian, so a little bit different than like what you'll see on the Hill or something like that. My main focus is locality and quality ingredients. Really simple, straightforward, but just honest and delicious. So all of our pastas are made fresh in-house. Our egg doughs for our tagliolini and our tagliatelle with our ragùs and our mushroom pastas. We try to change with the seasons, with what's available. Our ragu changes weekly, a classic bolognese or a lamb ragu, or it's kind of whatever we're feeling at the time. My favorite is probably the egg rav or the mushroom pasta with tagliolini. For our tagliolini with roasted mushrooms, it's locally sourced wild mushrooms, brown butter, shallots, a little stock, finished with a little Parmigiano Reggiano. And then our egg rav is a mixture of 3 cheeses actually, mascarpone, ricotta, and Parmigiano Reggiano, and with a farm fresh egg yolk right in the middle, garnished with a little brown butter, toasted hazelnuts, and parmesan. A lot of people think of the Hill, that Italian-American style pasta, red sauce and white sauce. We do things a little bit differently, but I think there's a lot of different people doing really great pasta in St. Louis.
The Pasta House Company was the first restaurant to give people the opportunity to eat fettuccine, cannelloni, manicotti, pasta con broccoli. Nobody else served them except us at family prices. We offer over 3 dozen pastas every day. They're all cooked to order. We're the home of the golden toast ravioli. We sell probably more toast ravioli than anybody in the world, and that's a signature item. Every 3 months, it's our responsibility to come up with new recipes or bring back old recipes that we've used in the past. It's very important that we give people variety. That's what sets us apart from everybody else.
We're at Favazza's restaurant on the Hill. We started here in 1978 and been here for 40 years now. Well, our pasta, we use all fresh ingredients, of course. We do everything from scratch on a daily basis. Our most popular dishes that we have are our cavatelli shrimp mario, which is a shrimp with red peppers and mushrooms and a marinara sauce, and we add a little extra touch of wine to it that gives a little extra special flavor to it. And we also have a little lighter item that we put on the menu. It's a whole wheat penne pasta with grilled chicken, fresh spinach, extra virgin olive oil, a little garlic, and some Kalamata olives tossed in there. The Hill is a big draw for St. Louis as far as the place to go when you're visiting St. Louis from out of town. It's a collection of Italian bakeries and restaurants. So we do get a lot of town guests too that visit us. And so we welcome them with open arms and treat them like we would anyone else here in St. Louis, and love to have them here.